How to create posts for Facebook and Instagram using Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create as well as schedule your posts for both your Facebook and Instagram page. The first step is to log in into your Meta Business Suite account from your desktop and then move to the left side of the screen where you can see a navigation bar. On this bar, you can see two icons or two options, namely content and planner. Just go ahead and select any of them. For me, I'll be selecting content, and then once you're on the content page, you can see export data, you can see create field, you can see create post, and then once you click on the drop down arrow, you can also see the option create story. Now, since you are trying to create a post for Facebook and Instagram account, the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on create post by the top right corner of the screen. And then once the page has loaded, you'll be brought to the page where you see posts to. Now, if you've connected your Instagram account to your Meta Business account, you will see it being displayed there. Instead of the option connect account, you will see the name of your Instagram account being displayed there, just like my Facebook account is being displayed. So if you've connected your Instagram account, you can now select where you want the post to be. Do you want it to be on your Facebook? Do you want it to be on your Instagram? Or do you want it to be on both of them? You'll be able to select the both of them. As it is now, Facebook is being selected for me, but I cannot select Instagram because I have not connected my Instagram to my Facebook. So ensure you connect your Instagram to your Facebook, okay? And then select the both of them. Once you've done that, you can now decide to add photo or video or use a template depending on what you want. Then add in your text. Okay, what exactly are you trying to post? What exactly are you trying to write about? Then you can now come and use the scheduling option by clicking on set dates and time. So you can edit the time you want or the exact time you want the post to be, or if you want to keep on rescheduling, you can also do that if you want it to. Then move to the right side, and then by the time you're adding all of this, the photo, the video, the schedule, and all of that, it will be reflecting by the right side here. So you can just easily check out the preview, and then if you're satisfied by it, click on schedule, and then just like that, your post will be scheduled to be posted at a particular time. And then once that time is met, it would be posted. But if you do not want to make a schedule, you can just leave it that way. Just go ahead, fill in all of your posts and click on publish. And your post will be published both to your Facebook account as well as your Instagram account. So this is how you can create a post for your Facebook and Instagram account. Thanks for watching and have a good day.